Hi guys, part 3. First of all, I would like to thank Pinball Days on the Pinball Info Forum for sending me out a B26800, which I'm hoping is the comparative part for the original Zac for the score reel. The authority that I got that was the right part is a bit dubious, because it was actually me. I think it's that. I did some research a long time ago on Zac pinballs, and I'm pretty sure that's the right part. I apologise in advance for my very, very shoddy soldering skills, but I'm going to see if we can get this thing on. So I'm assuming the sleeve goes in that way, and I'm literally just that way. Yeah, because it clips on there. So, there's a little pin down here, which you push across, and that pops out. So, what are you down here? I just found another rogue wire. Oh no, you are meant to be there. Right, so I'm going to put this on first and then clip it back in, then solder it on. If I can get it on. This is why everything of mine's broken, by the way, because I'm just useless at fixing things. Right, so that's in. I'm an absolute ham-fingered fool. Come on. Ah, there we go. Wasn't quite in. I'm not having much luck with this. Considering my soldering's terrible, I can't even screw this in. There we go. There's one. A little bit of pressure behind this. Okay, so that's about right. So it's a little bit fiddly getting it back in from what I remember. Because it's not getting the right height. So that goes in there. And pull the pin back across. In. Why does that look higher than the rest? Don't know, but it is in. You can see the bottom pin's in. So, I'm assuming this black white is the ground, and all the other ones, the ground is on the left terminal as you look at it, so that's what I'm going for. I've tinned up the tabs and I've tinned up the ends of the wires, so with any luck, just a little touch of the soldering iron and it'll actually work. But my soldering is terrible, so the chances are I will fail miserably and probably set fire to something. It'd help if I could actually had some space next to my window to put up a tripod properly. But I don't. I love the production value. So, hopefully, I can just touch this and it'll stick. There's one. This is slightly more difficult because it kind of passes underneath. I've got to try and pull this loom out of the way. And apologies, my big fat head's going to get in the way in a second. Yeah, there we go, let me get to it now. Okay, soldered. So, potentially one job off the list. I say potentially because I haven't turned it on yet. So you can actually get my camera off the tripod. It's always good. So look. And yes, that is actually my soldering iron. I love it. Love DMTs. Dead Man Tools, if you don't know what that's for. So, throw you off. And unplug you. Labelled. So, it's really, really hot. So, some cheeky hobgoblin. I love hobgoblin. Oh. Fingers crossed nothing implodes. Lights. Lights are always good. I've been having them for a while now. So, let's have a look to see if you fire. Oh! Lovely. So now, we are one step closer. That's another thing off the list. I'm not sure what actually. I'm not actually sure what scores 100 points. So, that scores 100 points. Aha! And so does that. This is why a lot of the stuff I assume this is why a lot of the stuff was misscoring or not working down the bottom end. Because that's ticking over now. It is going up by 1. 9. Did that count up right? Ooh, very happy. I am very, very happy with this progress. Okay, that still does nothing. I swear that was scoring yesterday. Anyway, yeah, step forward. It's that side book. Love it. Fully functioning score reel, and obviously more life on the playfield now. So yes, we are another step closer to our final goal of getting this bad boy working. And we've still got about 60 days. What could possibly go wrong? Again, Pinball Days, thank you very, very much. Massively, massively appreciated for sending that out. That's really moved the project along. Just that one simple thing. I will reimburse you with beer and stuff when I'm next down Wales End. But thank you so much. We're getting there, guys. We are getting there.